Hey, welcome back to the channel. So first, do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. So for these next 3 videos and the next 2 shorts, I'm going to do a bit of a carbon fiber month. Recently, I've been rediscovering carbon fiber. I know that material is not something new, but I have noticed it's way more affordable than what it was. And I'm going to start with this unboxing of a few accessories and random crap. And next week I'm going to show you one of the most insane sneaker customs I ever did. And the final video is going to be a comparison between the Hoka One One, the Homa R3000 and the Scott Speed Carbon. A bit of showdown between 3 sneakers with a carbon fiber plate. Let's get into this actual unboxing. I'm going to pan the camera down and do a bit of a voiceover. Okay, so I have 6 items here. Some of them were unboxed already, but that's okay. And I'm going to start with this card holder with a money clip. This was about $13, and I know for a fact that online you can find some of these accessories rebranded with prices that are about 4 or 5 times higher, which is kind of funny. Moving right along to these 2 cases for my Fold 2. This gray one was about $30. And of course this is just one sheet of carbon, very thin, and it has that matte finish. And this red carbon one was about $29 because I got this on an extra discount. Absolutely love this product, man. Some of these accessories, they just have one layer of carbon, as you can see with this, because it needs to be very thin, but some of them have multiple, which gives them a bit of depth. Let's see what we have here. Oh, I know what this is. This is a pen. Look at this, man. This was about $15. This pen is on the small side. Very nicely made, very nice closing mechanism, and you can put the cap on the top there, again with the same nice mechanism. Struggling here to make this camera focus, but as I'm watching this footage, I can see that this is focused, so that's a relief. This is a bit of an unusual one. This is a pair of sneaker insoles, real carbon fiber sneaker insoles. I got this because I'm working on this sick custom and I really wanted to use some carbon in my sneakers. It came with a stack of a double-sided 3M tape. These were about 33 euros. The only thing I don't like about these, they have that shiny finish. I would have liked a matte finish on these because they're kind of slippery. Also the adhesive won't stick that well on them. This is a pair of sunglasses, polarized. These came with a bunch of accessories, microfiber cloth pouch and a keychain, which is a screwdriver. This was about $30. This is not made out of carbon fiber, of course. Nice felt inside, and I have noticed you can actually fold this case so you can carry it easier. Really nicely made. Now let me show you this test they've included here, because these are polarized. Let's get back to my face for the final item and the end of the video. Alright, so as you saw, a lot of things were unboxed. Let me know which one is your favorite. We have a box wrapped in bubble wrap. Proudly overbuilt in the United States of America. And check this out. A real carbon fiber pocket knife. This will be perfect for the future unboxings. Okay, so it's not that sharp. Nice little fun accessory with a clip here to hang it from your keys. A few carbon fiber accessories. Let me know which one of these is your favorite. That's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.